The road that moves value. Section 5.1 isn't about steps, it's about movement. It wants you to understand one thing clearly. Value does not travel in a straight line. The service value chain, the SVC, is not a life cycle, not a checklist, not a beginning to end script. It is motion, it is flow, it is flexibility in action. What is the service value chain? Officially, the service value chain is a set of interconnected activities an organization performs to deliver a valuable product or service. Plain talk. The service value chain explains how work actually gets done to turn demand into value. If the service value system is the big picture, the ecosystem, then the service value chain is the engine. Think it this way: SVS is the map, SVC is the roads, the 6 activities, 6 movements, 6 tools in the kit. Say them like a rhythm: plan, improve, engage, design, and transition, obtain, build, deliver, and support. But hear this clearly: they are not steps, they are not locked in order, they are not mandatory every time, they are modular. The interconnected nature, the XM truth. This is the heart of Section 5.1. The service value chain is non-linear. Activities can repeat, activities can be skipped, activities can happen at the same time. Not every value stream uses all 6. That flexibility is what allows organizations to respond fast, adapt quickly, and stay relevant. Rigid life cycles slow value down, interconnected flow speeds it up. But what is a value stream? A value stream is the path value takes from idea to outcome. It's the root work follows through the service value chain to create something meaningful. Each value stream selects the activities it needs, no more, no less. Real-world value streams, incident resolution. A user reports a problem, the flow looks like this. Engage, deliver, and support, improve, no design, no build, no transition. The service is restored, and the system learns that's value. On-chain new service. Now the flow expands, plan, engage, design, and transition. Obtain, build, deliver, and support, improve. Strategy, requirements, design, build, release, feedback, all 6 activities woven together. Standard service request, password, reset. Sometimes value moves fast, engage, deliver, and support. 2 steps, still complete, still valid. Why interconnection matters: modern organizations move at speed. They don't have time for rigid paths or one-size-fits-all delivery. Different services need different routes. Interconnected activities allow faster delivery, continuous feedback, constant improvement. Value flows best when work isn't trapped in sequence, connects in traps. Say them out loud, meaning the service value chain is a life cycle, meaning every service must use all 6 activities. Many activities happen in a fixed order, for the truth activities are modular. Value streams are customized, flow depends on context, memory rhythm. Say it like a chant. Please improve every design outcome delivered. Perned, improve, engage, design, and transition. Obtain, build, deliver, and support. Don't picture a street road, picture a roundabout. Cars enter, cars exit, movement is constant. There is no fixed beginning and no final stop. That's the service value chain. Not steps, not stages, but motion.